Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're managing your business finances with Xero, you know how essential it is to handle transfers smoothly. Today, we're diving into how to transfer money from Xero to a bank account in 2025. This process has been streamlined with some new updates, making it even easier and more secure. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring funds in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Xero account. If you haven't already, head to the Xero website or app and enter your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Accounting menu and select Bank Accounts. Here, you'll see a list of your connected bank accounts. Double-check that your target bank account is linked and up to date. Next, click on the specific bank account you want to transfer from. Look for the Transfers option, usually found under a sub-menu like Manage Accounts or directly on the dashboard. In 2025, Xero has introduced a quicker interface, so you might see a new Quick Transfer button. Click that to start. Now, enter the details. Specify the amount you want to transfer, select the destination bank account if you have multiple linked, and add any necessary notes for your records. Don't forget to verify the date. Xero now defaults to the current business day but allows scheduling for future dates. Hit Review to double-check everything. Accuracy is key to avoid any hiccups. Once you're satisfied, click Confirm Transfer. Xero will process the request, and depending on your bank, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours. Keep an eye on your Xero dashboard for confirmation emails or notifications. Pro tip: always reconcile your accounts afterward to ensure everything balances out. And there you have it. That's how you transfer money from Xero to your bank account in 2025. It's straightforward, but if you run into any issues, Xero's Help Center is fantastic. Give this a try on your next payout and let me know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.